There we go.
Omega shows contact.
Almost done with the turn?
Yeah, we're halfway through.
Copy that.
You can, as long as you keep your field of view.
And stills right now.
Okay.
Vegas roll now.
That it was within limits by 20027, and that was at time 55, so it's staying pretty strong. It may go over again.
Rotate. Positive rate of climb. Command is speed 180. Configure the wind for approach and set up for the pace point.
Approach condition.
Copy that, Vic. NASA 865, you're cleared in.
Navy completed a major aviation milestone today as it successfully launched an unmanned aircraft from the flight deck of the USS George H.W. Bush aircraft carrier for the first time in history. Controlled by a mission operator aboard the ship, the Navy's X-47B executed several planned low approaches to the carrier and safely transited across the Chesapeake Bay to land at Naval Air Station Patuxent River, Maryland, after a 65-minute flight where 2 demonstration aircraft have resided for the past year. This future operational carrier-based unmanned aircraft will provide a 24/7 carrier-based intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance and targeting capability. According to Navy officials, over the next few weeks, the X-47B aircraft will fly approaches to the ship multiple times and eventually land on the pitching flight deck.
X-47 today will be complementary to the air wing that we have on board, and that air wing will continue to evolve. And the X-47 and unmanned systems that the X-47 represents will continue that evolution of naval aviation and nuclear-powered aircraft carriers.
Navy officials say they plan additional testing of the X-47B over the coming months. That's your TPC News Update.
An unmanned drone completed its first ever carrier-based arrested landing on board USS George H.W. Bush off the coast of Virginia yesterday. The landing marks the final part of 3 at-sea test periods for the X-47B over the last 8 months. Secretary of the Navy Ray Mabus said the Operation Unmanned aircraft, soon to be developed, have the opportunity to radically change the way presence and combat power are delivered from our aircraft carriers.
The Navy completed the first night flight of its unmanned X-47B last week over Naval Station Patuxent River, Maryland. Navy officials say night flights are the next step in developing the operations concept for more routine unmanned combat air system activity. Officials say the Navy will continue to conduct more tests to gain experience using the X-47B in cooperation with manned aircraft. That's your TPC News Update.